Dear grade 7 student, now take out page number 10 or 15. Now I am explaining remember and understand. Write true or false if you think that a statement is false, correct it. 1. In breathing, oxygen is given out. 2. In respiration, energy stored in glucose is released. 3. The diaphragm protects the lungs and the heart. 4. Lungs have air sacs which are called alveoli. 5. The windpipe is also called branch. डियर ग्रेड 7 स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे आपको ट्रू और फॉल्स भी गिवन है. नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग respiratory disease. Smoking causes lung cancer which kills millions of people every year. Cancer is a disease in which the cells start to divide rapidly until they get out of control. Lung cancer can produce a growth so big that it blocks a bronchus, making breathing difficult. Now I am explaining emphysema. Emphysema is a lung condition in which the walls of the alveoli become thin and weak. They eventually break down, leaving large empty space in the lungs so that the breathing becomes painful and difficult. This is usually caused by heavy smoking. एम्फीसीमा में क्या होता है, जो अल्वेलाई होता है लंग्स में, इसमें बड़े स्पेस बन जाते हैं जिससे जो है ब्रीथिंग में डिफ़िकल्टी होती है और जो अल्वेलाई है वो थिन हो जाती है और वीक. नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग एस्थमा. एयर इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ डिफरेंट gases, dust particles, smoke and pollen. When the particle of the dust, smoke or pollen enter the lungs, they irritate the muscle of the bronchioles, due to which bronchioles become nervous so less air is able to enter the lungs. This causes problem in breathing and people suffer from asthma. Asthma is a disease commonly found in almost every society due to air pollution. To overcome this condition, patients are given oxygen through oxygen cylinder. Asthmatic patients use inhaler more frequently, which contain medicine that prevent dust particles and other impurities from irritating the bronchioles. Now I am explaining bronchitis. Bronchitis is the inflammation of the air passage in the lungs. This reduces the ability of the lungs to absorb oxygen. This disease is usually caused by bacteria, but smoking makes this condition worse. और ब्रोंकाइटिस जो है ये भी रिस्पायरेटरी डिजीज़ है और ये ज़्यादातर बैक्टीरिया की वजह से होता है और जब एयर जो पैसेज होता है उस टाइम इसमें इन्फ्लेमेशन होती है, सोजश होती है. नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग प्रिवेंशन एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ रिस्पायरेटरी डिजीज़. Disease of the respiratory system can be caused by inhaling disease germs, dust, chemicals, fumes and vapor. The best way to avoid lungs infection is to maintain your physical fitness, eat nourishing and balanced meals, avoid overcrowded and badly ventilated places. Antibiotic medicines can be prescribed by doctor to cure severe infection. Dear grade 7 student, लास्ट में आपको लंग्स कैंसर और एम्फीसीमा के जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो भी गिवन है.